Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, an absolutely savage day on this one. Just a nasty, gap and traps really don't get any nastier than this. What do I mean by gap and trap in case you're new? Well, on Tuesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And then after the opening bell rang, to think that there were some poor souls buying up around this area, and you can see from there, it was just basically all selling pressure for the vast majority of the day. Now, granted, and to be fair, the bulls have at least shown up a little bit here as they're, pushing the price back upwards. But overall, just a savage day, which brings about now, mapping out a couple of key levels of resistance and support. So as of right now, with the price bouncing upwards, it does bring about a valid question. Be saying, okay, yeah, the price is bouncing. Where are some potential next areas of resistance at? And if this bounce is going to continue, the first key level of resistance that in my mind, the price is going to have to push up above is right there at $14.50. So $14.50, that next key roadblock to keep an eye on. If the price can push up through $14.50, next key level of resistance at that point would be the purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, and the current value of that is right there, right around, we'll call it $14.85, give or take a little bit. But those are going to be the main battlegrounds where, like I said, if this bounce is going to continue, then those will be the next couple of levels that, the bulls will have to bring their A game in order to, fight through and then stay up above. If the price pulls back a little bit, that's okay. Nothing can just bounce and go straight up. So if there are any sort of pullbacks, that first key level that you would want to see hold ideally is right there at $13.35. Ideally, meaning, that would make the chart look the best if the price can hold above there. But by far, the must hold level is going to be down here at $12.80, and there's nothing fancy behind that at all other than the fact of, well, if the price breaks below $12.80, that means that the price is all of a sudden put in new lows, and that's not exactly a sign of true strength or anything like that. So nothing complicated there, just a bit of common sense. But overall, those will be the main technical levels to watch moving forward, so let's see how it continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.